Okay, I'm going to show you a new feature we added to Ulas AI. It's a video extension option. So I've just created this video. You see the time lapse, and we are going to extend the video. Let me grab the prompt. We're going to press this button, extend, add the prompt, extend the video, and let's wait for the generation to finish. Here is the guide on how to use the new feature, the extend and the merge option. So we're first going to generate the videos, and then we are going to merge them all in this dashboard. So if you want to use Veo 3.1 fast or Veo 3.1, the high quality version, just $1 or $2.50 for the high quality version, but we're going for fast. You can use image to video or reference to video. Reference to video, you can upload 3 images, add a prompt, and all those 3 images will be entered into the video. So let's see if the extension is already done. It's still processing. When the video is done, I will show you how we are going to merge the video. I will just show you another option. We've added into Sora the story mode, so you can create a story mode for your video, 25 seconds long, and use portrait or landscape. Upload 1 image and add your prompt in the scenes. You have to adjust the duration of the scenes to fit the max length you select below. Let's see if it's done. So it's extended. So as you can see, and I'm going to grab the third. I'm going to extend this video as well with the third prompt. There it is, and it's generating. Let's wait for a couple of seconds before the video is done. And the last video is done as well. Let's look at the result. Cool. So we are going to select all the 3 videos and then press the merge button. Let's see if it's all not correct. So we have to 1, 2, 3. It is empty. 3 is to evening. Okay, nice. Let's merge the video. And we will have to wait before the video merging is done. And this is how you create a 24 seconds time-lapse video of a coffee shop. Just this easy. It's done. All right. The screen will refresh, and here is the full video. Right. So if you have any questions, visit ulasai.com. If you want to generate these long VO3 videos, message me on it or send us a message on WhatsApp. Happy creating.